Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on how to edit copyright data associated with the images. First, you're either going to start in your private collection image listing or your team image listing. You're going to select the images that you want to edit the copyright data for. And then if all of the images you have selected have the same exact copyright data that you're going to edit, you can come up here to the Copyrights Edit Action button. Making changes in this window will make changes to every image that you have selected. So if I were to change any of the copyright data here, it would apply to all three images that show up here. You can change the image license. You can change the image source URL. You can change the image title and the image author. You can also change the image copyright notice. Any changes that you make, the Save button will become blue. And once you click it and you click Save, all of the data that you have changed will be saved to the changes that you have selected. You can also edit the copyright data individually and by the image by selecting the images whose copyright data you want to change and clicking on the Edit Action button. This will take you to the Edit Action screen. And you're going to make sure that the image thumbnail is selected so that you can change the image information. To know that the image thumbnail is selected, it will be highlighted in pale blue. As you can see here, the image thumbnail, image ID is selected and is highlighted in pale blue. You will come over to the right and the copyright data menu will be collapsed, so you will need to open it. Here, you can change the individual copyright data information for this individual image that you see on your screen. By clicking on the data point that you want to change, a window will pop up and you will be able to change, in this instance, the image author. Title will let you change the image title. Public license will allow you to change the public license. The source, clicking on this link will open up the source URL in a new window. And the copyright notices will let you change the copyright notices on this image. You will have to select on each image to access each image's individual copyright data points. You also have the opportunity to edit copyright data as you upload images into the portal. If you click on your name down here in the bottom left, you also have the opportunity to change how your images are uploaded with copyright information. These copyright settings here in your profile or user settings will be applied to every image that you upload automatically unless during upload or edit you change it to otherwise. Thank you for watching the tutorial video on copyright data and how to edit it for each image.